Hello children, good morning to all. I would like to welcome each and everyone to the EVS class. And children, before we move to the new topic, we have already started with the new lesson, that is lesson number 9, Teardrops, after the term 1 exam. And children, today we are going to start with a new topic. Before going to the new topic, let us have a quick recap of what we have learned. Children, do you remember we have learned about the fresh water, the uses of fresh water from from drinking to washing our clothes, moving the floor, then washing utensils, taking bath, we use fresh water. Water is very precious to us. And children, even we have learned about the meaning of wastage, then shortage and drought. Do you remember children, we have learned the three meaning, that a new word we have learned in our last class, that was the meaning of shortage, then wastage and drought. So what do you mean by wastage? To lose something, okay, that is when we have distractions or decrease. And shortage means what? Insufficient, okay, insufficient. Then drought means when there are no rain for a longer period of time. Then we have even learned the importance of water, that is water. All living things need water. Even plants and animals also need water to live. Without water, no living things can survive. Now, let us start with the new topic today and what it is. The new topic for today's class is the need for water is not the same for all living things. All living things do not consume the same water. Okay, they do not need the same amount of water. We are going to collect more information about it. Let us see what is the learning outcome of it. Learning outcomes, students will be able to identify the need for water differs in living things. You can identify that which animal or which plant need more or less water at the end of the lesson. So let me start with the picture. So there is a picture of a kangaroo rat. So kangaroo rat, where it is found children? It is found in the dry and hot place. Okay, dry and hot place. And the most interesting thing is that the kangaroo rat do not drink water. They do not need water. Can you imagine? Kangaroo rat do not need to drink water. Then from where does it get? It gets from the food. The food which the kangaroo rat eats, then they found the water, okay, and it helps them to survive. So you should remember that kangaroo rats do not drink water. But where from it get? It get from the food they eats, okay. Then next we have the camel. Again, we know that the camels are found in the desert and we have seen also camel. So camel need less water than other animals. Okay children, always remember camels need less water than other animals and they drink large amount of water at a time. So at a time they can drink lots of water and they save it water on their humps, and they can go for a long time without water. They can walk miles and miles in the desert without the water. Okay, then we have also learned about the elephant. So elephant requires lot of water to drink children. You should remember in the previous slide we have learned that two important things we have learned, that kangaroo do not need to drink water only, kangaroo rat, and camels again it need less water compared to other animals. But what again we have learned now, that elephants requires lot of water to drink and they also require water to bath and cool their bodies. Okay, see, we have learned that number one, kangaroo rat do not need water. Again, camel need less water, and elephant need more water than other animals. Okay, they also require water to bath and cool their bodies. Then we have learned about the we are going to learn about the cactus. Okay, you have seen thorns in it, children, isn't it? Cactus grow in the dry areas and need less water to grow, okay, than other plants. Cactus, always remember that cactus need less water to grow, okay, and it have thorns in it. And it very, where can you found? It is found in the dry areas. Then the most important thing is that water depends on climate and seasons, children. The most important thing, water depends on the climate and season. The need for water also depends on the climate and season. For example, plants and animals need more water in summer than in winter. You can see it in your home also, that during the summer season, if you don't water the plant, what will happen? It dries and it even dies. Okay, that means in summer season it need more water, it consume more water. But during winter, if you pour water for 1 or 2 days, then it can stay for a few days more. But if you do not give water to the plants during the summer season, it will dry up soon than than winter. In case of human being also, is that we human being feel very thirsty during summer season. We like to have different water drinks, that are cold drinks, then juices, okay. But in winter season, what we like, children, we like to have hot drinks such as soup, then coffee, then tea. So it is said that in summer season we feel more thirsty than in winter. If you play outside with your friends, and you can see that after coming from the playground or any outdoor game, you feel thirsty, you are tired, okay. But if you sit idle at home without doing anything, you may not feel thirsty, okay. When you do not do any work and simply you are sitting at home, then you will not feel thirsty. But if you go out and if you play, you will feel thirsty. And today in our class we have learned about animals and plants that need less water and more water, or even no water only. That is, the kangaroo rat doesn't need water to drink. Then camel, it can stay for many days without water. Then again, elephant requires lot of water compared to other animals. Then plants like cactus can live without water, okay, for many days. Plants like cactus grow in a dry and need less water. They also need less water. Then again, important thing we have learned about the water depends on climate and season. Always remember, during summer season we feel thirsty compared to the winter. Same it is case with the plants and animals also. Okay, children, these are the things we have learned in our today's class. Your homework will be uploaded in the Google Classroom. So you are going to do, and you please submit on the given date. Okay, children, till then, thank you and take care and have a nice day ahead.